Have you ever created a catastrophe scenario in your mind, even when there was no real problem in the present moment? Have you ever felt exhausted because your mind was trying to solve problems that had not even happened yet? For example, there is no real crisis yet, but in your mind, you create it first, and then you try to solve it. No one has rejected you. Things have not fallen apart. No bad news has arrived, but your mind has already written the scenario. What if this happens? What if I lose control? What if the same thing happens again? And suddenly, your body starts reacting to these thoughts as if they are real. Your chest tightens, your stomach knots, your attention scatters. In reality, there is no problem in the outside world that needs to be solved, but inside you, it feels as if a huge battle has begun. The reason for this is that your brain is trying to protect you. The human brain evolved to detect danger in advance. In the past, this ability was extremely valuable for survival. When you heard a sound, thinking, maybe there is a predator, could save your life. But today, the same system often works on possibilities instead of real dangers. Your brain treats a problem that has not happened yet as if it has already happened. It tries to solve a future conversation, a possible rejection, or a possible failure in advance. Your brain cannot always distinguish reality from imagination, so it perceives the problem as if it is happening in that moment. In other words, while your mind is trying to protect you, it can sometimes pull you away from the present. This is why the real reason behind this endless exhaustion is not laziness. It is this inner alarm state. You spend your energy not on what is actually happening in real life, but on ghost problems inside your mind. The analytical part of your brain starts working overtime, as if there is a crisis. It keeps producing possible crises. You spend so much mental energy on problems that do not exist that by the time you face real ones, your energy is already drained. So, how can you notice this? Ask yourself this question. Is there a real problem I need to solve right now, or is my mind treating possibilities as reality? And the second question, is this thought preparing me, or is it making me freeze? Because healthy thinking moves you into action. An anxiety loop keeps you turning in the same place. Not every thought is a fact. Not every scenario is a warning. Not every bad possibility is a problem that needs to be solved today. You need to remind your mind, I am here right now. I do not need to live through a problem that has not happened yet. Before labeling yourself, try to understand which alarm your mind is activating, because sometimes the problem is not that you think too much. It is that your brain chooses the wrong time to protect you. What you are experiencing is normal. Adapting your brain back to reality is not impossible. I talk about this often in my content. Subscribe so you do not miss it.